Imagine waking up in a house that seems alive, your coffee brewing itself, your blinds adjusting to let in just the right amount of light, and your thermostat already knowing the perfect temperature for your morning routine. Sounds futuristic? It's not. In 2025, this isn't just a fantasy, it's reality. But here's the kicker: many people get it wrong. They invest in gadgets that don't talk to each other, overcomplicate their lives, and end up with frustration instead of convenience. The secret to a truly smart home lies in a single, strategic setup. Want to know how to create a seamless smart home experience? Keep reading, because what you're about to learn could change the way you live forever. Step 1. Start with the brain, choosing your smart home ecosystem. The first decision is the most critical. Every smart home needs a central brain, a hub that connects all your devices. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra. In 2025, the major players are still Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, but newcomers like Samsung SmartThings and Matter have redefined compatibility. If you choose the wrong ecosystem, you might lock yourself out of future integrations. Why? Because not all devices work well together. For example, a Google Nest thermostat may struggle to communicate with certain Apple HomeKit devices. The solution? Matter, a universal standard now adopted by most manufacturers. It bridges the gap, making almost any device work with any ecosystem. But even with Matter, you'll need to decide: are you an Apple, Google, or Amazon person? Choose wisely. Your decision will dictate which devices you can control seamlessly. Step 2. Build the foundation, the essential devices. Once you've picked your ecosystem, it's time to build the foundation. But where should you start? Here's a priority list. Smart speaker or display. This is your primary interface. A smart speaker like the Amazon Echo or Google Nest Hub isn't just for playing music, it's your voice assistant, information hub, and command center. Smart lighting can transform your home's ambience and save energy. Brands like Philips Hue offer bulbs that adjust color and brightness on command. But here's where it gets exciting: -2025 lights can now sync with your TV or music, creating an immersive experience for movie nights or parties. Smart thermostat heating and cooling account for a large chunk of your energy bill. A device like the Nest thermostat or Ecobee not only learns your habits but also integrates with weather forecasts to save money. But don't stop here. Your home's foundation needs a cornerstone: security. Step 3. Prioritize security, smart cameras and locks. In 2025, smart security isn't optional, it's a necessity. The world of smart cameras and locks has evolved dramatically. Devices like Ring Doorbell or Arlo cameras now offer AI-powered facial recognition. They don't just record footage, they identify familiar faces and alert you about strangers. And the smart lock? It's more than convenience. Brands like August Smart Lock Pro now support biometric entry, voice commands, and remote control. Forgot to lock the door? A simple tap on your phone fixes that. But here's a twist: what happens when your smart lock gets hacked? Yes, cybersecurity is a real concern. This leads us to Step 4. Strengthen your digital fort, cybersecurity for smart homes. A smart home is only as strong as its defenses. In 2025, hackers aren't just after your laptop, they're targeting your doorbells, cameras, and even refrigerators. Protecting your home means investing in smart cybersecurity. Here's how. Use a dedicated Wi-Fi network for your smart devices. Change default passwords on every device. Install a firewall or network security system like Firewalla. It may sound technical, but skipping this step can leave your entire home vulnerable. Now, with a secure foundation, let's move on to the fun part: personalization. Step 5. Personalize your experience, advanced automations. In 2025, the power of a smart home lies in automations, programming your devices to work together in perfect harmony. Imagine this: as you pull into your driveway, your garage door opens, your hallway lights turn on, and your favorite playlist starts playing. This isn't magic, it's automation through tools like IFTTT, if this, then that, or your ecosystem's native apps. Here are some advanced ideas to try. Morning routines program your lights to gradually brighten, your blinds to open, and your coffee maker to start brewing at your wake-up time. Bedtime routines, one command dims the lights, locks all doors, and sets your thermostat to an ideal sleeping temperature. Vacation mode, simulate your presence by randomly turning lights on and off to deter potential intruders. Automation takes your smart home from cool to life-changing. But what if you want to go even further? Step 6. Expand with smart appliances and furniture. The next frontier in 2025 is smart appliances and furniture. From fridges that track expiration dates to beds that monitor your sleep patterns, the integration of intelligence into everyday items is astonishing. Here are some must-haves. Smart fridge brands like Samsung now offer refrigerators that scan your groceries, suggest recipes, and even place orders when you're running low. Smart washer and dryer save time and energy with appliances that adjust cycles based on load size and fabric type. Smart mattresses, sleep tech like 8 Sleep monitors your sleep stages and adjusts the temperature to optimize rest. Smart furniture is also making waves. Coffee tables with built-in wireless chargers or couches with integrated speakers are now mainstream. The challenge? Balancing cost with practicality. Choose items that genuinely add value to your daily life. Step 7. Take entertainment to the next level. What's a smart home without an entertainment upgrade? In 2025, your TV isn't just a screen, it's a portal. Smart TVs now support voice commands, augmented reality AR games, and integrated streaming platforms. Pro tip: use a universal remote app to control everything: TV, speakers, lights, and more from a single interface. For audiophiles, multi-room audio systems like Sonos offer impeccable sound quality and seamless control. Imagine walking through your home and having the music follow you from room to room. But here's a thought: what if your entertainment system could adapt to your mood? Step 8. Dive into AI-driven experiences. Artificial intelligence is the real game changer in 2025. Smart home systems are now powered by AI that learns your habits and preferences. Your home doesn't just respond to commands, it anticipates them. For example, AI lighting lights adjust based on the time of day, weather, or even your calendar events. AI voice assistants: your assistant doesn't just answer questions, it proactively offers suggestions, like reminding you of an upcoming meeting or suggesting dinner recipes based on what's in your fridge. The AI revolution is here, but it comes with an ethical question: how much of your personal data are you willing to share for convenience? Step 9. Sustainability: the green smart home. 2025 is all about sustainability. Smart homes are now equipped to reduce your carbon footprint. Solar panels integrated with smart systems, energy-efficient appliances, and water-saving devices are no longer optional, they're essential. Ideas for a greener home. Smart water sensors detect leaks and monitor usage. The energy monitoring systems track your energy consumption and suggest ways to save. Smart plugs cut power to devices on standby, reducing phantom energy drain. Building a sustainable smart home isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your wallet too. Step 10. Future-proofing your smart home. Technology evolves quickly. The smart home setup you create today might feel outdated in a few years. How do you stay ahead? Invest in upgradable devices. Look for devices that receive regular software updates. Embrace modular systems. Choose products that can integrate new features or connect with emerging technologies. Keep learning, follow smart home trends, and experiment with new tools as they emerge. A smart home in 2025 isn't just about gadgets, it's about creating a lifestyle of convenience, security, and sustainability. With the right setup, your home will not only meet your needs but exceed them, adapting to your routines and making life easier every single day. But here's the question you need to answer: are you ready to take the plunge? Or will you be left in the dust as others embrace the future? The tools are here, the technology is ready, and the possibilities are endless. Now it's up to you to design the smart home of your dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.